Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to change out your trunk light for an LED. All you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, and right here at the edge there's a little tab. You're just going to gently press in and pull down at the same time, and then it's just going to come out just like that. What I like to do is actually disconnect this the connector here. It's just a little tab. You pull down on the tab here and just slide it right out, and what that's going to do, for one, it's going to turn off the light so that way it's not getting scorching hot when you go to grab it to pull it off, and it just makes it easier to work on. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and take that off. Just make sure that's not hot and go ahead and pull it out. Just going to pull it out like that and go ahead and pop in the new one. Like I was kind of showing in my other video regarding the map light and the dome light, if it doesn't work one way, go ahead and swap it around. And then you're just going to go ahead and plug it back in. So we got that on and now it's working. And to reinstall, you're just going to tuck everything back in here. Alright, so you're going to put in the left side first, and then just press in on the right side. And that's it. That's how you install the LED.